it is the blue panda, and I am making another video because I have time for me to play over like 3 videos, I think, under 10 minutes. So right now I am trying to get to that green draw. Oh my god. I am gonna kill this parasaur. Yeah, this thing. Don't you run! Don't run! Don't run! Just hide. Don't run. Hide. Don't run from me. Hide from me. Okay. See you later, Parasaura. Beep, 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 beep. Are you kidding? I am right in front of my house. Then I lose all my stamina. Great. Just like that. Oh, gee. I ran out of hunger already. How fast do I lose hunger? Is that literally how fast it is? I literally saw my hunger go up. Do you have to compare? Oh my god! Comes out of there! Comes out of there. It's disgusting. Darn it! There's a thing to trick shot with. Darn it. Who cares about that thing? Can I do something? I haven't done anything in this episode other than chase the parasaur. Stab him. Yeah, that is Danger Island. Are you kidding? It's day already? Oh yeah, I just remembered. Now I can pick them up. Yay. Oh, level 14. Don't hide. Don't run. Hide. Hide from me. Better hide from me. Why am I getting wood? Curse him. Oh my god. Not away. Thanks for the stone. Once I had to kill a raptor, and it was so painful, but this is how I got this thing at this low level. 8. I can't do anything. Did I just... Oh! What happened to my... Did you see that? It just fell out of there. It fell out of there. Ah, that thing. The butt. And it was so disgusting. There's the poop. There is the poop. The poop. The poop, the poop, the poop, the poop. I have one video. Why am I punching it? I have an axe. Use my brain. Thank you. I'll go back into my house for a lot of wood in there. Yeah, look at how much wood I have. Okay, thank you. Oh, jeez! Don't go like, oh, my stomach, it's killing me. It's killing me. Please save me by pressing 0. Hit the food button. No, it's not what you're supposed to say to me. Okay? I am controlling you, but I know when to feed you. Okay. Hi there. You leveled up already. You leveled up already? No wonder. Let's give you more oxygen. Yeah, boy. Well, yes. I'm happy. A green drop. When is it coming down? Please don't stop the recording. That's what happened to my last episode yesterday. It stopped the recording while I was still talking. And I had to chase a raptor and then press F12 again to start another recording. And then I stopped after a bit. So, don't stop on me yet. Please don't say this is 9 minutes. Don't even say it's 10. Please not. Please. I'm circling my head. Look at the poop there is. Look at there is. Okay, let's just splash some water. Don't go. Oh, I'm dying. Help me. Don't do that to me, okay? Please don't stop the recording. It's right there. Right there. You hear me? You hear me, Bandicam? This is where I record, okay? Bandicam, that's the thing I use. So, do not do this to me, Bandicam. Do not. This is Facecam and Bandicam. This is where I can make my videos. It's coming! Oh, yeah, boy. Don't stop the recording. I want the people to see. 15! My God, I wasted time. Well, I'm gonna end the episode right after I can poop. Nah! Okay. Well, after I get in the house. So, good.